Welcome to MKG Online Study e-learning platform. In this video, we are going to see how hexadecimal numbers can be subtracted using ones or twos complement method, because 15's complement of a hex number is the same as ones complement of the equivalent binary number, and 16's complement of a hex number is the same as the 2's complement of the equivalent binary number. So we can subtract hex number in or using 2's or 1's complement method. So subtract hex number using 1's complement arithmetic. We have to subtract 48, that is in hexadecimal, minus 26 in hexadecimal. So for doing subtraction, first we have to find the complement of subtrahend and express it in hex and add to the minimum. So let us do this example. So subtrahend is 26 in this question. So 26 in binary is 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, and for 6, 0, 1, 1, 0. Now we will take 1's complement. One, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. That is equivalent to D9 in hex. So normal 48 minus 26 is 22, but we have to do using 1's complement method. So 48. Now we are do addition. So we will add the 1's complement of 26, that is D9. So 8 plus 9 is 17. So its hex number is 1, 1. Then D plus 4 plus 1, that is 13 plus 7 is equal to 17, plus 1 is 18. So 2 and 1. So this is carry. Now what we will do with this carry? We are going to AND around carry. So 22 in hex. Let us take one more example. We have to subtract 74 from 45. So again, we will take 1's complement of subtrahend, that is 74, and express it in hex, and then we will add to the minimum, that is 45. So 74 in binary, that will be equal to 0, 111, then 4, 4, 0, 1, 0, 0. Next step is 74 in ones complement form. So this will be 1 0 0 0, then 1 0 1 1. Now we have to write this number in hex, so it is 8b. So first we are doing normal subtraction. Then we are getting minus 2f. So we will subtract 74 from 50. So we are getting minus 2f. So actually I have discussed in this my previous videos also that we are not doing subtraction, actually we are doing addition. Because why we have to bother about two circuits? Simple, just take a addition circuit and do subtraction or addition. So 45, now we are going to add ones complement of 74, that is 8b. Then the result will be 11 plus 5 is 20. So 11 plus 5 is 16. So 16, again we have to convert this 16 into hex number. So that will be 0, carry 1. Then 8 plus 4 plus 1 is 13. That is your D. So here we are having no carry. In the previous question we are having carry. Carry indicates that the result obtained is positive and it is in hex number. But in this example we are not having any carry. So if there is no carry, means the result obtained is negative and it is in ones complement form. So we have to again take the ones complement of D0. So D0 ones complement will be equals to 2f. 2f in hexadecimal. So, but because we are having a result in negative format, so we have to place minus sign in front of the final answer. So this is minus sign in front of the final answer. So final result is minus 2f in hexadecimal. So this is how we are going to subtract a hex number using ones complement arithmetic. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel.